Is your bike chain showing signs of rust too? Don't worry, today we'll show you how to quickly and easily clean rust from your bicycle chain using the Lematec Sandblaster. This will swiftly remove the rust, leaving your chain looking as good as new. This time, we'll be using steel grit for rust removal sandblasting. It's important to choose the right abrasive for different sandblasting applications. Hook it up to the air compressor, and let's get started with the sandblasting. The Lematec Sandblaster is not only a great tool for dealing with rust, but also has many unexpected applications waiting for you to discover. Give it a try. For more tips and applications, like and subscribe. Your support keeps us going. Thanks for watching.